Yeah, trade intuition, flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. While it's packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
All right, very good. I'm not sure if y'all had an echo in that part. If so, then I do apologize. If not, then great. All right, guys, we're gonna get started in 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Let's do it. No camera today. I'm having a no camera day today. So it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. Just know I am smiling from ear to ear because you are here. All right. So let's go and get started, guys. First, I do want to look at this stuff right here. Let us look at the Fear and Greed Index. Let's go and refresh the page. The stock market 20, it's up 3 points. Crypto, it is 27, down 1 point. I would really like to see this back at 20. Do another reset, maybe even to 10, and we're probably going to get that maybe in the next few days. We'll see. They had a little bit of an echo. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I forget. I always have to turn off my mic. Good thing I didn't clear my throat. So that was good. Because if not, y'all would have heard all of that. We have Dylan. Dylan was first. Unfortunately, I did not have OBS opened up. But just know that Dylan was first. I appreciate you greatly. Going to bed, but showing my support. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. Have a great stream. Crypto Princess was second. You know what? Y'all get this. Yes, indeed. And don't forget about my man, Jesse. Jesse, working very hard behind the scenes. Thank you very much, Jesse. Round of applause for Jesse. Round of applause for Jesse, please. Thank you. Awesome, very nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over this really quick. We're going to go over Bitcoin as well. Then, of course, any of your coins that you have to just, whatever you're looking at. Right now, it's tough, guys. It is so tough right now. And I made some videos for my VIP group, which trickled down to the YouTube members. If you're not a YouTube member, I strongly recommend you do so. The goal is, of course, for you to be here. Here is the goal. But if you can't afford this, hey, I get it. Get the information here for free. Or if you can afford it, do the YouTube memberships. And what I do is I trickle down some of the information that I give in the VIP. And this one is a 14-minute video in reference to Bitcoin update, and also is it time to start shorting. Now, could you have been shorting already? Yes, of course. But this, I'm referring to holding these trades for several days, if not longer. So give you a heads up. Jesse, man, brilliant dude. Jesse says, I would rather not trade today. Smart, man. Sometimes the best trade is not trading. And that is so true. Jesse's a smart dude. So I concur. I agree. We do have, let's see here. We do have Champ B in the house. What's up, Champ B? Happy to have you here, guys. So happy to have you here. Very, very nice. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any charts you want me to do, let me know. Oh, the little one's at the door. Let me go get him real quick. 1 second. All right, I'm back. The little ones in the front is my cat. Little ones in the front saying, I want to come in. So, all right, all right. Let's see here. What else? So, yeah. YouTube memberships, definitely worth it. Not only do you get these very cool emojis, speaking about cool emojis, this one is Jesse's. This one is usernames. This one is Retro Mike. This one is the Mod Queen. And this is for everybody. That one is for everybody. There you go. Let's see here. What else? So I did an update. As far as if it's something short, we're going to go over that in just a moment. Let's go to the liquidations heat map. And right now it's refreshing. We have a lot towards the top. A lot towards the top. 85. A lot of liquidations, about 85.3-ish area. Not so much on the bottom. Not so much. Definitely, man. We will definitely look at the Pi network. That is, I believe I have that one up already. I'm not too sure. But this is on the 24-hour time frame. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. And all of it's up top. Barely any of it's on the bottom. Right now, I am in a short on Bitcoin. And it's doing fairly nice. Let's see here. It was higher, but it is what it is. It'll go up and down. So let me go ahead and refresh this one. Total liquidations. The shorts are getting wrecked. So this, well, for the 1 hour anyway. So it's very important. See, it's kind of strange. I don't see you. Yeah, I don't have my camera on. I have my camera off. I didn't have my camera on this morning. And right now I was doing a bunch of stuff. It's like, oh man, I gotta, make sure my hair is all matted down, and it's been a crazy day today. It's one of them wild hair days. I was like, nah, I'm just gonna do no camera. No camera today. I'm gonna probably do a live stream tonight at midnight, and on that one I'll have my camera on. But right now, no camera. Just taking it easy. Let's see here for the liquidations. Right now the shorts are getting liquidated for the 1 hour time frame. After that, it was the longs. The longs were getting just absolutely wrecked. Right now, for the group in our VIP group, we're in a short. And man, it just took off. Did it take off? Oh my gosh. And then now I'm saying that it could possibly go up. So what I do is I like trading both ways. So I went ahead and went long, but the overall is short. For those that wonder what type of trading I do smart money concepts trading, which is supply, demand, market structure, order blocks, fair value gaps. And I also do ICT trading, which is pretty much the same thing. It has to do with order blocks and smart money concepts, the composite man, market makers, liquidity. I tie all this stuff up and put a bow on it and then make it my own. So like you don't have to. Basically, it's just support resistance. That's all it is. And they just put fancy names on it. All right, so let's go and get started, guys. Let's get started. This is Bitcoin. I was on the 15-minute time frame. Price is way up here. This is my thought process of what I thought might happen. This is my plan A. Oh, I have another one on this right here. Let's go 15-minute time frame. So I did an earlier video. I believe it was like around 8 this morning. And man, I feel like this is going to be a long stream. I'm gonna take it slow and easy. So this morning I did a live stream, and we charted this whole thing. So if you don't know how to chart, I strongly recommend watch this morning's live stream. I walk you through every single support, and these are key levels. It's not just let me do a level here, let me do a level here. No, these are key levels. So I strongly recommend, watching my video and I show you, Bitcoin, daily time frame, Binance chart. That way, all your levels, how to get these levels. Like, I go into extreme detail how to do what I just did. I tell you what tools to use, how to use them, where to place it, everything. That way you get these same exact levels. Now, with that being said, we have a plan A, plan B. And you always need a plan A, plan B. And what I like doing is I like putting it on the chart, or at least telling you what my plan A is. When the price action was right here, I actually did a video last night for the group, and not for the group, for the YouTube members. I believe it was this one. I did it last night, about like 8 or 9 o'clock last night. And I just gave an update to the members for the YouTube, because of course this video is made for the VIP. So they get it first. And then of course YouTube gets it for the members. And this one, I was basically saying right now, we're in this very boring range. Very boring. And we have a higher likelihood that it's going to come down. Could it go up? Sure. Of course, anything can happen. But due to the potential, continuation of the bearish move, more than likely, it's going to go down. And then sure enough, price ended up breaking down. I was already in a short, high leverage, very little money. I always stress that. I trade with very little, guys. I trade with very little. And especially with the higher leverage. When it comes to lower leverage and, then I'll do higher leverage. I mean, lower leverage, higher amount of money, which is called margin. But the price was in here. It's like, oh, it doesn't look good. Sure enough, bingo and a bango. And this is the level that it needs to cross for sure. Sure enough, it broke it. It's on the 1 hour. Nope. 5 minute. Okay, I was trading on the 5 minute. I was like, why do I have that line there? No, 15 minute. Okay, so that was my level there, and I just used the wick. And then sure enough, I entered here, hoping that it would go down because the odds were with me. And then sure enough, came down, high leverage. Now we have this, and this is an area that we might possibly get a bounce from. If the short needs to, if I want the short to play out, it has to roll over. So we'll see. And we're losing people. I think we're gonna do 5 more minutes. We'll do 5 minutes. Can we get a 5-minute timer? 5-minute timer. Do I have a timer on this? I don't even know. If we don't get more people, then I just call it a day. It's funny too. I think it's so funny that I do that. It's like, yeah, sometimes I look at the amount of people, and if no one's asking questions or nothing, it's like, I just go back to what I was doing. Oh, speaking about what I was doing, this is what I was doing. Oh man, this is not manifesting. Manifesting, in my opinion, is for girls. This is just just dreaming. It's just dreaming. It's a Maybach. Man. You just got to have a chauffeur though. That way you can truly enjoy it. But yeah, it's awesome. This is what I want. Would I ever get it? No. If I had $1 million, would I buy it? No. If I had 10 million, would I buy it? No. It's just something to look at. It's nice. It's really nice. I don't know how much it is. I know it's a lot. It's a crazy lot. But this is, man, I would love this. But you have to have a chauffeur. Because I mean, if you have that type of car and you're driving it yourself, you're like loser. Like get a friend, somebody to drive you. But man, that thing is so sharp. But I don't manifest. In my opinion, manifesting for females. And what I do is, I set goals, but, oh, hold on. Gotta get my phone. Yeah, I think manifesting's a female word. I don't manifest. I either set goals or I set goals or I just kind of, daydream. That's what I do. See, maybe if you had 10 million, yeah, you know what? I'd take that back. Maybe if I had 10 million, sure, why not? But I can't see spending, big time money for that. I don't even know. And to me, it's just too much. And they got these crazy, like $180 million houses and everything is like, it's too much house. It really is. Let's go into an imaginary world right now. If you had, let's say, $100 million. If you had a $100 million, and let's say you had a family, whether it's a wife, a husband, had maybe 2 kids, maybe 4, would you get a big old house that has, 18 rooms, 32 restrooms, 2, big dining areas, it has a pool, a swimming pool, it has a rec room, it has a sauna, it has a golf, it has all this stuff. And let's just say it only costs, let's say 200 million. And, you have 100 million. No, that wouldn't make any sense. Well, anyway, you could afford it. Let's just put it that way. You could afford it. Yeah, I'd definitely change the interior. Yeah, me too. So put in the chat, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Put that in the chat. So my question is, if you had a crazy amount of money, $100 million, and it's just you and your family, whether it's your spouse, your kids, or maybe you don't want a spouse, maybe you just want your parents there, whatever it is, but it's under 6 people. Would you buy a house, and you can afford it, would you buy a house that has 36 rooms, 45 restrooms? Me, I wouldn't. I would buy land, have a big old property, and then have a, nice house, maybe a 4 or 5 bedroom. That way I can have one for an office. And just have a nice, decent sized house, nothing crazy big, maybe even go on the smaller side. But that's what I would do. See, Jesse says matted army green. Nice. Mine is hunter green. I love hunter green, but green for sure. But yeah, purple, no thanks. I'd buy real estate. Yeah, there you go. That's what you want to do. Like, you want to buy real estate. That's for sure. That is for sure. Real estate, land. That's what you want to do. Yep. But yeah, that's what I was looking at. I was like, man, I've seen this so many, like these videos so many times, but as soon as at 2025, I was like, ooh, let me see if there's something different. It's pretty much all the same. But it's nice though. It's very nice. I think they're pronouncing this Barabbas. Barabbas? I don't know. But yeah, these little speakers, they come out and they go back in. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty nice. My ex-boss, he had a Mercedes. I forget what it was, but it was a big vehicle, very expensive. And man, that thing drove like a freaking champ. Like, just, I mean, you didn't feel bumps, you didn't feel nothing. And that sucker, as big as it was, dude, it would accelerate. And he would tell me too, he's like, punch it, Joe, punch it. I was like, no, man, I'm kind of afraid, you know, punch it, Joe, punch it. I was like, all right. Boom. I was like, holy smokes. Man, that thing had some power. It's a big vehicle too. Invest in oil. Yep, sure thing. Dynamites. Dynamite says red, saying I would buy land and live off. Yep, hunt, fish all day. There you go. See, we're simple men. We're simple men. We'd get land. We do the hunting, the fishing. We do the, you know, just nature. You know, bringing it back to the basics, really. And, you know, having a nice house, being comfortable. But, I mean, you don't need a big old, you know, 36 room house. For who? For what? Unless you're going to be entertaining, like, all the time. And then not only that, but you have to get the staff and all the maintenance. And it's like, geez, no thanks. G-Class. Yeah, I don't know what kind it was. I just know it was, man, it was super, super nice. But yeah, that's what I like watching. And it's not manifesting because I don't manifest. I'm not a female. I guess kind of like daydreaming about it, I guess. Now the only way you can work, you know, goals to it is working your butt off, invent something, or become an OnlyFans girl. Oh, that's funny. All those OnlyFans girls making all that crazy money. Ridiculous. Anyway, so here you go. Bitcoin, 15-minute time frame. It's coming down. Possible bounce off of this level. But what we need to do is we need to break certain levels. Like this level, it broke it. But now coming back down. Now, to continue the short, is this right here. So now we're just looking. See, $206,000 is the starting price in Europe. Wow. Yeah, they're pretty expensive, man. Pretty expensive. All right, so we're gonna give this 5 minutes. I know we said 5 minutes already, but we'll give 5 minutes. There's no questions or anything. We'll just call it a day. No problem. Today, I mean, hopefully y'all are enjoying the day. Hopefully y'all are out and about. That's euros, 206,000 euros, which is about $75 US, I guess. No, I'm playing. Over here where I'm at, it's nice and breezy. And oh shoot, man, I want to say like in the 60s, like maybe 68 degrees, slight wind, and it was drizzling earlier, very light rain. And right now, kind of, I mean, it's not too dark outside, but I'll tell you what's not dark is a Bitcoin's future. Bitcoin's future is nice and bright. We just gotta get rid of this dump. Like, just do it already, man. Stop messing with this. You know, here, price was here. First, it was up here, but I deleted all this stuff. But then with prices here, I said more than likely come down. I mean, it could go up, but plan A is for it to come down, bounce, get rejected here. It didn't do this bounce really. It's coming down here. So it came down right into this area. I do expect it to come up, get rejected here, break through this level, and come for this. Then what we got to do is we have to look at the break of this. If it breaks this, man, we're gonna start doing our stuff. Now, one thing that I did mention in the VIP video and also the YouTube members video, if we do close, do I have it on this one? No, I don't have it on this one. Let's go back to this one. Daily time frame. We got 3 hours to go. So watch for this, guys. On the daily time frame, if the candle closes underneath this level, 84250. If we close underneath this level, then there's for the group, we're gonna start doing some shorts. I mean, we've been doing shorts, but we're gonna be focusing on shorts. Now, of course, I'm only gonna be focusing on maybe 3 coins because there's so many coins and so many opportunities. The max I'll focus on is 5, but more than likely we'll just trade 3 coins and only 3 coins throughout the course. And could we make more money trading a bunch of other ones? Yeah, but we'll just be chasing. So what I want to do is I want to be looking at some certain coins. There was one that I saw and I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt because I mean, I saw it and I was gonna post it and I was like, I don't know, let me wait and see. And then when I checked it again, it dumped. It's like, dang it. It's like, oh well. But I don't want to wreck my people though. I don't want to post a whole bunch of shorts and then it flip, or post a bunch of longs and then it flip. So that's why I post very few. And then of course we just maintain the ones we have. But all right, well, that's gonna be it for the show. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's make this money. I will be streaming live tonight around 12 a.m. and we'll do it again. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you on the next one. Take care.